channel. On today's video I'm going to be making a quick detox tea. This tea is very good for detoxing, it's good for flat tummy as well as weight loss. So I'm going to be using these few ingredients. As you can see here on the video, I've got 1 bag of green tea. This is Tetley pure green tea, and I'm going to be using half lemon and hot water. If today is the first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Bailey. This is Homemaking with Bailey. So let's get into today's video. This one is short one and is quick as well. I'm going to pour a little bit of cold water on my kettle, which I'm going to use to make this detox tea. So let me just turn on the kettle to boil the water. My water is already boiled, as you can see here. So here's my green tea. I'm just going to add it in the mug, and then I'm adding water. Yes. So here is my lemon. I'm going to squeeze it in there. I have with me my lemon squeezer. So here my lemon squeezer. I'm just going to put the lemon in like that, and then I will squeeze it into the tea. It's quick, very quick to me, and yet very effective. So I'm just squeezing it now. So that's it. Squeeze everything. Look at that. So I'm just going to put this in the bin. So here is my green tea detox drink. It's now ready, and as you can see, the tea bag is still in there because I just want to let it to stay for a while in order for it to immerse properly before I can drink this. And don't forget, you have to drink this while it's hot in order for it to work effectively. It's very good for weight loss as well as flat tummy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me likes and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Press the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.